Hello dear viewers, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you IGBT gate circuit measuring. This is IGBT. The brand is Fuji and model 7MBR35SA120. This is block diagram. This is pin diagram of this IGBT. Here mention the pin number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 to 24, 1 to 24. Here total 6 gate, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I will measure the gate one by one. This is 22 pin. I will hold meter negative probe, common probe with 22, meter red probe, positive probe with anode 19, and common another I will hold with 20. Okay. This gate is good. Now I'll check this gate. 17 anode terminal, 18 gate terminal. This is good. Now I check this gate. 15 anode terminal and 16 gate terminal. Okay. This is 15. This is 16. Okay, this is also good. Already we measured this gate, and this gate. Now I'll measure this gate, and this gate. Okay. Now need to change the connection, common connection. Now I will measure this gate. 13 gate, 4 5 6 4 is here. 1 2 3 4 cathode terminal. Okay, hold it with 4. 10. This pin number is 10, 11 12 13 14. So here 10 is anode terminal. Meter red probe, positive probe, hold with 10. and meter negative probe, common probe with 13K. Now common probe with 4 and another common probe with 13. Eleven, 12, 13. Okay, I got value. This value means this IGBT is good. This IGBT is good. Now I will measure this gate. Need to sense connection. Now this with 5. This is 5. With 12 and 10. This gate is good. Now this with 6.